Okay, so now we're ready for part two of our Vuvox tutorial. Part one, we got our folders and our pictures set up. Now we're going to focus on our finding videos. So, Vuvox, you have the ability to put videos into your collage, but the videos have to be stored on your computer first. They can't come directly from YouTube or another website. So what we're going to go over here is how to get those videos from YouTube onto your computer so that you can then transfer them from your computer up to your Vuvox library. And it's very, very simple. We're going to start out by using a program here that's called under all programs. This is really cool program that I hope you guys can use for a lot of different things in other classes. It's Any Video Converter. Okay, and this is going to allow you to take any YouTube video and just rip it or download it right to your computers that you could, if you needed to use it somewhere like a Vuvox collage. Okay, so I'm going to open that up. All right, it's so simple that I'll come back to this screen in a minute. And I'm going to go out to YouTube. Okay, and then I'm going to simply, let's search for something simple that I did, the Steve Bartman play. Okay, one thing I would recommend is you don't want your videos to be too long from YouTube. Okay, so anything more than like, I don't know, a couple of minutes, you just run into issues, just a greater chance that something's going to freeze or just not work right. But you can try it. I mean, there really is no limit. But here's my video that I want, so when I open it up, I just need the URL, which is up here. So I'm simply going to copy that, Control C. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go to Add URLs. So that's what I just copied. Okay, it brings this up, and I'm going to do Control V. I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then I can double click underneath there. I can just keep adding as many YouTube clips as I want before I do anything else. So I can kind of line them up there, get a list going, and do them all at once. And then when I have all the videos that I want, I'm going to hit Start Download. But you know what? I'm going to back up for 1 second. And something that's very important is where these videos are going to go. Okay, so before we even do that, I should have done this first. We go File, then we need to Set Output Folder. Set Output Folder, and that is where these videos are going to go. Alright, so you can see I have already done this. So I navigated through to my Vuvox folder, to my Chicago Cubs folder. Otherwise, they just get sent to a generic folder, and they can get lost if you're not careful. So in this way, they're already in my project folder. Okay, so the Set Output folder is extremely important. Then you can start listing your add URLs again and list them there, and then you just hit Start Download. It's that simple. Okay, and it's going to go through some stuff here. You don't even really need to know what it means. It just goes. Okay, and that's how quick it was. Okay, my video was only 35 seconds, but it's it's completed. It's there. And one other thing I'll point out is up here, and this would be something again to look at before you actually convert. We want to convert these to MP4 files. Okay, so depending on how your computer looks, you may not have the Apple logo here. You may have something like video files, which wants to make it a flash video or a regular MPEG, okay, or something like that. Now you could choose MP4 right there. That's fine. That works. Okay, or I, for some reason, mine was set on Apple. And it was already on MP4, so that works. Okay, but these are the easiest to work with, and also the quickest is that MP4. Okay, then if I look, there's my videos. Okay, so I had our other videos already in there, so they're all set to go. So now I have my pictures, I have my videos, and here's what that Any Video Converter does. It made an iPad folder for me. I didn't make that. And then it put my videos in that iPad folder, and it also gave me the original Flash video or the YouTube version of that. Okay, so extremely easy to do. So I'm all organized now, and that's the important part. So I'm going to end part 2 right now, and then we'll actually go to Vuvox in part 3 of the video and get started there. Okay, so you should definitely take the time to get yourself organized before you even go to the website.